subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification.
Hi friends, today I'm gonna discuss 10 habits that will change your life. Wake up early. Waking up early gives you a huge advantage over time, so you have enough time to plan your day. And even the fresh air in the morning stabilizes your body and mind and prepare you for the day. Also, waking up early in the morning inculcates the value of punctuality in you, and you can do each and every work with full of energy and with effectiveness. Studies have revealed that the person who wakes up early in the morning shows conscientiousness and openness. Conscientiousness means discipline in work. Number 9. Make exercise plan. Making an exercise plan helps you in making your body fit and healthy. It also energizes your body to do more work. The speed is enhanced. Just you need to do is to adherence your exercise plan. Adherence means the ability to do exercises for a long period of time. There are 3 exercises that you can do, such as yoga, gym workout, and jogging. Number 8. Meditate. Meditation is the key to access God. It allows you to merge your soul with the God and also stabilizes your mind and body. Thus, it relieves stress. Meditation also helps in curing depression. Number 7. Improve communication skills. Nowadays, the best way to connect with people and interact with others is communication. So thus, to enhance interaction with others, we have to enhance our communication skills. Learn new languages in free time or get access to a language course and improve your communication skills. Number 6. Avoid watching TV for hours. Nowadays, television have become a major way for time pass. But we don't have to do time pass. We have to use the time rationally to have our more productivity. You can utilize that time in your work so that you can have greater productivity in your work and you can achieve your targets on time. Or you can develop new hobbies such as reading books or learning some art and painting. Number 5. Read a lot of books. Reading books helps you to connect with different emotions and situations. And nowadays, we also have audibles and ebooks, so you can enhance your reading skills. So develop the habit of reading books, as knowledge is power. Number 4. Plan every day on paper. Planning every day on paper helps you to make a schedule of all the work, and thus you have a complete list of your work, so you can never forget any task. Have you ever shopped without a shopping list? It's just a mess. But when you have a shopping list, you can shop in no time. So planning every day on paper really works. It just needs 5 to 10 minutes to prepare a schedule for a day. And this schedule will help you really a lot for completing your task, and you will never forget any task. So the main objective of this habit is to inculcate the value of time management in your life. Number 3. Use money rationally. This habit will help you inculcating the value of using money wisely and avoiding overspending. You can prepare a numerical statement or budget to help you using your money wisely. You can also use your money to buy assets and reducing the money towards liabilities. By restricting the money towards liabilities, you can have a greater access towards your assets. Money itself is an asset for you, and using it wisely will really help you in improving your financial status and also provides you mental satisfaction. Number 2, adopt the principle of initiative. This principle was given by Mr. Henry Fayol, who was the father of general management. According to this principle, you just have to start a work with an idea that strikes your mind. Don't think much about it, or it will create a time constraint for you. And it should be made clear to yourself that nobody is going to do work for you. You have to do it yourself. Just think and do it. Number 1. Invent new ways to do your routine tasks. Innovation is the key aspect of the modern world. The person with obsolete ideas cannot stand the race of this modern world. To survive in the competition, every entrepreneur has an innovative technology and idea that can help his or her business to reach the new heights. Innovative methods helps to do work efficiently and effectively. Efficiently means in a cost-effective manner, and effectiveness means on time. Just adopt a new technique and see how the world changes for you. Write down in the comments how this video changed your life. Thanks for watching.